What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to allow TikTok to access your camera on an iPhone, and I'll also show you what to check if it still isn't working afterward. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen and it looks like a gray gear icon. This is where you manage all app permissions on your device. Next, scroll down through the list of apps until you find TikTok, then tap on it to open TikTok's settings. These controls let you decide what TikTok can and can't access on your phone. Inside the TikTok settings, look for the camera option. If the toggle is turned off, tap it to turn it on. This allows TikTok to use your camera for recording videos, taking photos, and using camera-based effects. While you're here, it's also a good idea to check microphone access and make sure that's enabled too, since TikTok needs it to record audio with your videos. Now, open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new video. If the camera opens normally, then the permission is working correctly. If the camera still doesn't open, try closing TikTok completely and reopening it, or restart your iPhone to refresh the permissions. And that's it. That's how you allow TikTok to access your camera on iPhone and fix common permission issues. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.